You can't open this can because you're not positioning me right. It's not my fault, and
I am the shopping cart. Stop leaving me in the parking lot. The correct way is to return me to my place. You leave me plugged in all night. I suffer. Your battery does too. I am the alarm clock. Stop snoozing me 5 times. The correct way is to get up at the first sound. I am toilet paper. Stop using me as a napkin. The correct way is to use me only in the bathroom. I'm your laundry basket. Don't expect me to puke. Wash first.
I'm the bathroom mirror. Clean me too, not just your teeth.
when I'm hot, cold water shocks me and I can warp. Let me cool down first, and I'll give you a flat surface to cook on. I'm your lamp. Don't leave me on all night. Your wallet and my lifespan will thank you. You press me in frustration when I don't work. The problem isn't me, it's your signal. Touch gently. If you put me in the microwave, we explode. This isn't a game, it's physics. After using me, hang me up. I need to dry too. I'm the bill. You wrinkle me, you lose me, you ignore me until you need me. Keeping me now saves you trouble later. I am the calendar. Stop ignoring me. The right way is to plan yourself. I'm not a game of bravery. If you don't use me carefully, your fingers pay the price. Stopping in time is also using me right. You use 3 sheets for a single drop. Using me wisely makes me last longer. You fill me with leftovers and forget me in the cold. I seal tight and keep your food fresh. Don't underestimate my power. I am the elevator button. Stop pressing me 1,000 times. The correct way is to press me once. I don't disappear by magic. There's always a missing sibling in the washing machine. Find me, and everything will line up. I'm wireless, not invisible.
Clean me with a cloth and water.
I am the swivel chair. Stop rocking back and forth. The correct way is to sit properly.
I'm your pillow. Ah! I collect dust and mites. Replace me every 2 years.